Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know whether iTranslate is compatible with other apps or services such as messaging app or browsers. So according to the iTranslate, it is compatible with various apps and services, allowing you to translate directly within those applications. Here's how you can typically do it. First of all, many messaging apps such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Telegram allows you to select and translate text using iTranslate directly within the chat interface. Simply highlight the text you want to translate, and then you can tap on the share button or go to the more option and then select iTranslate from the list of the available options, and you'll be able to find the translation. And likewise, some web browser including Google Chrome and Safari offers extensions or add-ons that allow you to translate web pages using the iTranslate. You can install them, and likewise you can highlight the words and accordingly you can translate it. So these are some of the features that iTranslate is compatible with other apps or services. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.